I'm just gonna cut to the chase and get to the cold start because it's like -2 out right now. And I've been out here for 5 minutes trying to mess with the camera. And I want to let my car warm up. So, oh, the trunk's gonna open because I'm behind it. Bye. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, lovely state of Illinois. It's -2 degrees out. I'm cold. This is my 2020 Kia Forte GT. And it's your boy, Honeslty Bad, bringing you guys back to the cars. Finally doing what I want to do with YouTube. And this is about to be lit. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Honeslty Bad or Albert. I used to do gaming videos on this channel, but I think I have finally decided to ditch gaming other than for streaming. And here's why. So if you don't know who I am, you don't know anything about me, which most of you don't, I love cars more than probably anything in my life. I've always wanted to be able to make videos about cars. Now the problem about living in Illinois is I live in the suburbs and I don't live in the nice rich suburbs of Illinois. So it's kind of hard to do car spotting videos like what a lot of car YouTubers do when they're starting out. So I needed to figure out a way to start making YouTube videos without doing car spotting. See, I just bought my 2020 Kia Forte not too long ago, and to me this is the perfect car for me for right now. It's a 6-speed manual, turbo 1.6. It's faster than the Civic, I'm assuming. But I absolutely love this car. I love everything about it. I have as much options as you could get for a manual, and I'm gonna make a lot of content with this car. I already have some ideas. I'm gonna have my friend come down. He has a Civic SI, which is pretty much the exact comparison to this car, and we're gonna go head to head with it. I haven't seen anyone do it. I've seen people compared to, but not actually go head to head. I want to see. Maybe we could get to the strip and see which one's faster. We will see. But there's a lot of stuff I would want to do with just this car itself. So there's going to be videos about being a mechanic. Why did I choose to be a mechanic instead of sales? If you guys any of you saw that video where I was in my Lancer back in 2018, I was going into car sales. And let's just say I absolutely hated it. But it actually gave me a little more appreciation for a car salesman just because that job sucks. Today's video is sponsored by my Instagram. Go follow me, Albert_Tulo4, I think. It'll be on the screen somewhere around here. But go follow that Instagram. The nice thing about going to school to be a mechanic and diagnosing stuff and learning how to do stuff is you get to know how to do a lot of stuff. So there's a lot of ideas I have for making a custom car that I could live with every day and love. And that's something I want to really do really soon. And with me graduating in May and to start making videos now was kind of the better idea, just in case maybe a little people start to help me out, give me some cheaper prices, you know boy. But no, that's another reason why I want to get this video going is I will have a project car soon. I want to do an engine swap. There's a lot of stuff I want to do. This one's been done before, but it's still something I really want to do, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to try and find topics of whether it's mechanic related or car related. I'm going to try to make a topic a week and make videos about it. Trust me, once the spring comes, like obviously there's snow and it's 3 degrees right now without wind chill. It's kind of hard to do car videos, and until the spring and May starts coming up where there's car meets and car shows, I mean, I have everything from classic cars, the custom cars, the exotic cars planned up for this spring and summer, and I'm so freaking excited. There is no better time for me to start this video other than probably the spring where it's more entertaining, but you guys will see that. I got my daily fix. The nice thing about using a GoPro as your camera is I just have to go buy all of the attachments. I can put it on my hood, I can put it outside on my sunroof. I use a freaking spider thing, and I could put it on my head. And just like that, all of a sudden we're magically in my car driving away from Walmart. That's the nice thing about having a GoPro as my camera. It really is. It gives me so much more room for possibilities with my videoing. It's gonna be kind of nice. Also, happy Valentine's Day. I'm single. I have no one to be my Valentine. So you know what? Why don't you guys hit that like button to be my Valentine? Even if there's like 20 of you, we don't have to talk about that part. Just click that like button, be my Valentine. Let's get the love in this channel, guys. Get that love up in here. But other than that, this video is pretty much over. I mean, I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. I'm going to be getting some shots of me just driving to try to get some nice little progressive shots of me driving. I don't know how to explain it, but it's going to be this view anyway, so it's like whoop-de-doo. But other than that, yeah, make sure you click that subscribe button. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to get a video a week car related. This gaming channel is no longer a gaming channel. I am now a freaking car YouTuber, guys. The only gaming related stuff will probably be my race sim stuff, just because that's pretty freaking cool and it's racing. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop at this yellow light so I can properly give you guys a send off. It was nice talking to you guys. Like I said, click that subscribe button, hit that like if you want to be my Valentine. And it's your boy Honeslty Bad, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.